Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing well. Thanks to everyone who has been here commenting and liking and sharing and following Mommy's journey. So today I basically just want to show you Mommy's first trip to town ever since she came to Denmark. Enjoy, come along. Madame, don't should be Copenhagen too. Have to check in before we enter the train.
What checking gun?
Here, come and show you. Just put it on that blue thing. Yes. Yes, just put it on the blue thing. Yes. Like Katie. Then, yes, like that. So let's go into the train. What you want on the train? Yes. That's the train we're going to use. Here, what dog you could?
Yes, sir.
We could also go and sit there. Which it's the family. So, oh, we could also. I can go. Your bed, Kaken. Kaka, we have been looking at dog here to a quiet place. Come, let's go this way.
Okay. But let's go over.
Come, let's go find another seat. Bed Kakai. This is it here. Bajati family section. We have been okay. Kids and what and all those things. So that's the reason why. Let me have it here. And the one we should city. Get bag perimala do it. Let me disturb you a bit. We're on the train to Copenhagen with my mama. Today I'm going to show her around. Yes. Yes. So you have to check in before you leave, and then you have to check out. Kedar, when you finish the journey, and then you check out. If you don't check out, then it continues to eat up your money.
You see?
Yes, so you have to always check out. So that's what people are doing.
Okay.
Kaka, you don't stare at people, it's rude. Yes. Madame Europe. Nita Sindika. Nita Sama. Sophia in London. You walk.
Nice bag.
Oh. See this. Is that the one you want?
No.
Mzuri sana.
Your boots. Yeah.
Hello guys, so I'm sorry that I have to mute the conversations here because while we're at the shop there's some music playing in the background. Otherwise this video won't be monetized. So for that reason I apologize that you can't hear our juicy conversations. Yes, those are flowers for sale. Yeah, they are real flowers. Those are real flowers, fresh flowers, they are called. Yes. Or Sophia in London. Guys, I'm teaching my mom bad manners of eating on the streets in Copenhagen because in Denmark it's very normal that people have food and then they just eat like this. So she was like, she's like, oh, I'm scared. I should not be eating like this. But she got to go. Yeah, basically I'm teaching both of them bad manners to eat on the streets. Okay, let's go. So I'll show you where the dustbin is after eating on the streets.
Finally, we are now.
In any, the dustbin is over there.
Where is it?
Hincha, yes. No, just on top. Yes, just more Kenny. Yes, like that. I could mark it just more Kumeni, yes, and that's it. Yeah? After eating on the streets of...
We are satisfied. I'm really satisfied. Nimepiga. Nice day. Can you take us a picture?
Yes, traffic rules. No, anything tourists, they are touring. Yes, it's just tourists. Sasa tunakwenda kwa magazine hapa. Twende. Let's go. Welcome to magazine. Sijui kama twende huko, mnataka kwenda wapi? Wowote do, let's go. Twende namna hii. Go. Walk. Lift and feel it, ma'am. And see if it is good.
Lakini mambo ya pale hapa leo. Sianda.
Is this one the one you like?
This is small. But they're small sizes.
No, they're big sizes too. You just have to find them. Mom, come. Is she coming? Oh. You wanna mommy? Mama anafanya Mom, go. Mom, look at me. Hey, you're Sophia in London. Tired? Hey, can I see you? Okay, mommy. Soon you have to go. Yeah. Go. Mom. Yes. Hey. Mommy doesn't like the escalator. It's a nice dress. It's not nice. Mami anasema pana mzuri.
Haiko mzuri. Hata na mimi siwezi nunua. This is still men's clothes.
No, this is women's clothes. Ma. Nenda.
Egg, yeah, I like this.
Bong ne muke chiwilongo. Mama nasema nguo ngine iko kama ya Red Cross ya hawezi nunua.
It's the first time in a
Yes. That's why I'm. What floor are we on? We're trying to go down.
No, first.
First, hold on.
Now we're going down.
Oh, just
It's
me.
still going down.
This is the first.
This first we go.
I want us to go down. So.
Are you going up? No.
So, Mom. I don't know. Yeah, we could go. Let's go from there. Wait, one at a time. So how was that experience?
And alone I cannot go in that thing.
So we are going to take this. Come on.
Up.
Yes, let's go up. 20 up. Take it, itimu kumai, easy. Sasa twende, let's go. Anasema you plan. This one. Nini? I don't know. Nini alinguka?
Hey, toothpick.
Yeah, you can show us. They'll tell us. Go. Have a film. What, is it medicine?
Yes.
Okay. 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 Yeah.
Yes, I.
Okay. Yes. Protect your flow, not a
Yes, she wants to buy now.
No ads.
Unajua hiyo airplanes.
What ya Copenhagen? Mami hawezi ongea na mimi. Anaona tu vitu. Inanuka udi. Let's go. You know. you comfortable, don't Mom? Look this way. Don't let me see you turn around. Turning, don't worry about negative turning. You can turn around. The poor don't go yano. Yes, K-water, that's when it goes fast. But when you're standing, it doesn't show. Macha train is going to Sweden. Mom. It's all the same. We don't watch their train to Sweden. Mommy Denmark. What do you mean out here Sweden? Be ready to move, Mom. And move slowly. Yes, that was good at least. So we have 8 minutes. Yes. So you watch it all, Mom. So
All don't know what the whole day.
look at
It's good.
I get it.
Stay too much. Yesterday the whole day was just so long.
Yeah, but yesterday what were you watching? Do you remember the
Watching
movie you watched? Yeah, what movie did you watch? Do you remember what it's called?
Nigeria, then
Avatar.
Avatar.
You watched the first Avatar and now the second Avatar you haven't finished.
Then the third one I fell sleepy.
There's no third one, Mom. You
Yeah.
watched number 1 and you
And
were
the
watching
second
number
one.
2. You
Then
were watching number 2 that you didn't finish.
Yeah.
So once you finish watching Avatar 1 and 2,
We
you're
went
going
to bed.
No, I'm saying when you finish watching Avatar 1 and 2, then you'll watch the Black Panther. There's Black Panther 1 and 2. And then next time you'll watch The Woman King.
It's okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
So.
Kita magero ko on wigi matek talo e.
Maro, kita maden magera ko do.
Tek ten mo kuma ke biru ora dida. Ano, ito siya na.
And I'm not sure about how. No, I was trained my one hour within 8 minutes. I'm not sure. Let me see. Yes, it's the one. Yeah, let's go. It's the one.
It's the one.
It's the train one, Marco. So,
Let's go.
Mondikai. I've been up and Lobo talk have a filming. You have to wait. They have to come out fast. Opening God, then one future. Tell you. Try this one. I don't know. They are not opening one. Yeah, keep going so that we can find a seat. I don't understand why the back did not open. I don't know. All these doors are not open. Mom, Omondo kan. Mondi, diri shidi. Yo, couldn't. Go, mommy. Anyway, we ended up in an overcrowded train, but we managed. Thank you guys so much for being here. Take care and see you next time. Bye.